In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your GitHub ID. This can be useful when you need your unique user identifier for integrations or automated workflows. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Settings. From the left sidebar, click Emails. On the Email settings page, scroll down until you find the Keep My Email Addresses Private section. Here, you'll see a GitHub private email address that follows a format similar to ID plus username @users.noreply.github.com. The number before the plus sign is your GitHub ID. You can use this number whenever you need to reference your unique GitHub user identifier. That's how to find your GitHub ID. Thanks for watching.